Hello everyone, Ifra Sarjoglo is back and she is making everyone crying with her. Episode 2 of her new drama just aired and the internet is going crazy over her acting. People are sharing photos of her emotional scenes everywhere. They say her crying feels so real and deep. We know she was a global star, but now her fame is reaching a whole new level. After a break record, first episode second has even higher rating. The numbers are amazing. People are calling her the queen of Turkish drama. Her talent truly has no limit. Social media is flooded with praise. Fans are creating viral edits and sharing pictures completely captivated by her powerful performance. What do you think of her crying scene?